one is also cute. I like this. I don't know. But the scratch easy, no? You just like buff it up.
It just goes with it.
And that's the beauty.
What kind of leather?
Natural cap.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's very nice.
How much is that?
We can check for you.
It is very classic. The color.
So this one
Is
is
it also gold?
6,200.
Wow.
So this one we only make it in Palladium, but if you want any special order, we can always request it.
Wow. It's so beautiful. Yeah,
Okay,
this
we just
one
have to let it
beautiful.
dry, okay? So
Okay.
this
Oh,
is
that looks
going
nice.
down.
Oh my goodness! I love it! Wow! Yeah, I can't have 5 letters, so at least it's still good that I have 4. Still sounds like my name. And they look good together. Maybe I should get this bag.
Yeah, that one is nice. That's such a nice color.
Yeah, I'll take that.
So beautiful. Beauty.
The whole world, they don't have very
How many more left? Because last time I came here with Nini, she said there was 2. How many left?
I only have one.
It is really cute.
That's really cute.
But I don't know. I never have a bag with 2 colors or tricolors.
It's now the
Actually,
time.
a tricolor or two-tone, it matches with
In the velvet sky of dreams, I will melt into the night.
Yeah, for sure. Beautiful. I love your outfit. And I love your shoes.
Thank you.
Beautiful. I wonder which one matches my tote bag. So, oh, this one.
Well, next month, because that's right. Next month is Valentine's.
This one. Oh my
It's
God.
my birthday end of the month too.
This is so,
It's our
yeah.
birthday
This is our
Your
birthday.
birthday, Valentine's, and New Year's, all to celebrate.
Yeah. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's flip it. On this side.
Design selling? Is it selling as
Oh,
well?
well, yeah, the medallion.
I love their tote bag. I really do.
So for the horizontal, we only have this one and this one.
Yeah, that matches your little wallet.
Well, I love the toe. I
Yeah.
absolutely love the toe.
Let me see. Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, this is a good color.
That's a good one. And it's reversible. So black on the other side.
It's beautiful. Thanks. Thank
Let
you.
me see. Wow.
It really pops. Good.
Good job.
Beautiful.
I will just
You
leave
did
it
that,
here.
Mimi? Good job. Oh my gosh.
So long do I have to let it dry?
So let it dry. How long?
It should be just, a few minutes. Yeah, just don't scratch.
Yeah.
Outside and just looking at the bag and knew that one is, she likes it too.
In the velvet sky of dreams, I will melt into the night. Ooh, I wanna run so bad, 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 yeah. I wanna run so bad, yeah. In the velvet sky of dreams, I will melt into the night. Ooh, I wanna run so bad, 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 yeah.
This one is burgundy.
Maddox.
Maddox.
MEDOC, that's how they call it.
So in the light, this is not purple. This is more like burgundy red.
Yeah, I thought
it was purple.
Yeah, it looks more purple under the warm light.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is gold.
Yeah, go on.
So pretty. So it's not purple.
So you learn so much from YouTube.
Wood
huh?
rose. Yeah, wood rose.
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah. But I like the Gabrielle more expensive.
In the velvet sky, a dream.